The marketing copy promises plug-and-play perfection, and for the most part, the hardware delivers. The fully automatic bed leveling uses a load sensor in the tool head that physically taps the textured PEI build plate to map out an incredibly precise mesh grid. I tested this with a challenging model consisting of a wide, single-layer geometric pattern that spanned the entire 180 by 180 millimeter printable area. On a standard budget machine, a print like this requires manual knob twisting and constant first-layer height tuning. The A1 Mini executed the mesh calibration in less than 3 minutes, laid down a flawless first layer with perfect adhesion across all 4 corners, and finished the job without a single blemish. This is where the machine earns its keep. The active vibration compensation works via an internal accelerometer that vibrates the X and Y axes prior to printing, calculating the precise resonance frequencies of the frame. In practice, this allows the machine to print at a blistering 500 millimeters per second with an acceleration rate of 10,000 millimeters per second squared without introducing ringing or ghosting artifacts along the outer walls of your models. I was printing a highly detailed mechanical gear set during a late-night work session. The printer sat right next to my workspace on a basic wooden desk. A budget machine from a few years ago would have shaken the entire desk and created an unbearable high-pitched motor whine. The A1 Mini adjusted its motor drivers dynamically, whispering along at under 48 decibels while maintaining razor-sharp geometric accuracy on the gear teeth. My colleague's older assembled printer completely missed a step during a similar high-speed run due to belt skipping, resulting in a bird's nest of ruined plastic. That is the engineering advantage in one moment.